This is Adam from Get Out There magazine. Today I'm in Ile Bizard, Quebec for the 28th annual Defi Hivernal de Ile Bizard. This event features a 1 kilometer kids race as well as 2K, 5K and 10K races and is sanctioned by the Quebec Athletic Federation. We just hit the turnaround point, which is a double loop of the 5K course. Had a nice downhill stretch leading into the halfway, and of course now we are running up that. The weather definitely held up. It is cold, but not too windy, and no ice on the course. We're just finishing up with a 10K here at the Defi Hivernal de Ile Bizard. One great thing about this event is that all race times are really staggered, which gives you a great opportunity to watch your friends and family race and then race yourself at a different distance. About 500 runners took part in both the 5K and 10K distances with an online registration fee of $25, which is an absolute steal. It was an out and back course with 2 turnarounds, so everyone had lots of company along the way. Because this race is in February and it's freezing, there are no water stations along the course, which is actually a good thing because first of all the water would freeze and second it'd be slippery as hell. This has been Adam from Get Out There magazine. Be sure to check us out on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, on the web, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all our race reviews.